Hey, I'm Jimmy over at Vortex Optics, and we're here today to go through how to install your VMX-3T magnifier and flip mount combo onto your AR behind a red dot sight. So let's get to it. First, I'll need to take the flip mount and to decide which height I want to mount the magnifier to. If I want to mount the magnifier to a lower third co-witness sight picture, I'll need to add this shim plate before adding the magnifier. However, I want to mount the magnifier to an absolute co-witness sight picture with my red dot, so I will just remove this shim plate. I won't be using it in the mounting process. So then comes the question is, which direction do I want the magnifier to flip off to? So what I'll need to do, if I want it to flip to the left side of the gun, I'm going to have the ocular lens of the magnifier and the release button on the flip mount pointing in the same direction. If I want to flip it to the right side of the gun, then I'll want to have the ocular lens pointing in the opposite direction as the release button. But I want to flip it to the left side of the gun. So now the next step is to tighten it down using the screws. And now I have the assembled VMX-3T magnifier and flip mount combo all ready to install to the rifle. So the first thing I'll do is back out this screw so that way the fastening piece can slide over the rail and fit on there nicely. So what I want to do is I want to tighten this into a position behind the red dot so that it does not interfere at all with the red dot, does not catch on it in any way. So once I have this finger tightened, I'm going to take the 1/2 inch socket and just tighten this screw down nice and tight. Okay, pretty snug there. Once I do that, the only other thing really necessary to do is to make sure that the red dot is properly centered into the magnifier's field of view. And you can do that, you can adjust the magnifier by twisting these screws here on the side and on top. And what that will do will just angle the magnifier so that the red dot is perfectly in the center of the sight picture. Other than that, we're finished. Thanks for watching our how-to video. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop us an email at info@vortexoptics.com or give us a call toll-free at 800-426-0048. Thanks again.